If you're working in Audacity and you want to save your progress the right way, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it. Saving your project correctly is important because it keeps all of your tracks, edits, and changes in one place so you can come back later and continue working without losing anything. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. To save an Audacity project, start by looking at the top left corner of the screen and click the File menu. This is where Audacity keeps all of the main file options, including saving and exporting. Once the File menu opens, move down and click Save Project. After that, you'll see another option in the submenu, so click Save Project again to continue. At this point, Audacity may show a warning window. If it appears, click OK to confirm. This is just Audacity letting you know that the project will be saved in its own project format, which is perfect if you want to keep working on it later. The file it creates is an AUP3 file, and that file stores all of your tracks and edits for future work. Now a save box will appear. In the file name field, type the name you want for your project. Try to choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan on saving multiple versions. Next, choose the folder destination where you want the project to be saved. This could be your desktop, documents folder, or any folder you use for audio work. Once everything looks right, click Save. Audacity will now create the project file and store all of your audio data in that location. When you reopen that AUP3 file later, your tracks and edits will be right where you left them, ready for more editing. So that's how to save an Audacity project properly. It's a simple process, but it's one of the most important steps in any audio editing workflow. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.